to our YouTube channel. In this video today, I just want to show you a new platform called DollarClicks, where you can earn cash for completing a survey. The surveys are simple. You can complete your survey and you will earn cash from this platform. As you can see their review on Trustpilot. They have a good review on Trustpilot. This platform, you can do a survey, you can earn cash, you can earn up to $20 to $10 daily on this platform and more. So guys, on this video now I will show you how to create your account on this platform. This is where you create your account. You enter your first name, last name, email, and you repeat your email again. Then you put your password and you repeat it. Then you choose your username. Then click on I am not a robot. Then click on I agree. Then click on sign up. So after you sign up, you will see this next page here. So it will take you to this page. This is your dashboard. This is your page here. So the next thing to do now is to confirm your email address. You just go to your email address. They sent you a confirmation code. Just copy it and paste it here. Then click on confirm. So let me go to my email now and copy it. So I have copied the code now and I already pasted it here now. Now the next thing to do is to click on confirm to confirm it. Now they direct me to their earning page. So this is where you check everything and earn on the platform. As you can see, they give me 10 cents already. The coin you see here is 10. The 10 you see here worth 10 cents. 100 coin. There are 100 coin worth $1. So if you can have like 1,000 coin from this platform, you will earn $10. So let me show you what you will be doing on the platform. So right now, let's go to their survey. For instance, as you can see here, on this platform, you need to come all the time, every time, so that you can see a survey quickly, because all their survey has an expiring time and they are decreasing. The more people are doing it, the more money budget on that survey will be decreasing. So like this one you see here, N53 point, which is 53 cents in dollar. So on this if we don't do this quickly now, it might reduce to maybe to 42 or something like that before everything vanish. So on this platform here, you can do more than, let me check it for you, everything. You can do many survey. As you can see, these two survey we are seeing here right now are from BitLab survey. You can check Peanut Lab survey. You can check survey from RW 2.0 offer war. You can check survey for OC after war, etc. You can check any survey you want. You can do many survey in a day. If you have your time to do it, you can make more than $10 to $20 on this in a day. So if you want to do your survey, all you need to do is to click on the survey, click on the one you want to do, click on it, then click on, for example, like this. Now I've clicked on it. So right now, please accept our privacy. You need to accept their privacy terms. Click on accept. Then the first thing they are asking you now is to complete your profile. Complete your profile first. So this is the first thing they are asking you to do now. You complete your profile, enter your date of birth, everything, etc. to complete your profile. So I have complete that my profile. Now you can, as you can see, the right times for completing your profile. We can now match you with interesting survey. It's time for a survey. So this survey they give to me here right now, the survey is 9 points, which is 9 cents. So if I click on it right now, you click on it, then you do the survey. You just do the survey. They will ask you question, then you answer the question. Make sure you answer them correctly. They are just normal ordinary questions, so they will ask you this question. So everything, when you do everything, you earn your money immediately when they approve it. So that is how to do survey on this platform. And again, you can select, don't forget, you can select any survey of your choice. You can do more than one, more than three, you can do more than 10, more than 20 in a day if you want. So for example, let's say we want to withdraw on this platform now. So you click on your main menu. After you click on main menu, you click on withdraw. Then let's check their convert point. Let's see how much their point worth in cash. So for instance now, point to cash, as you can see, I have 10 here already. That 10 to cash should be around 10 cent. Point to cash, as you can see, this is 1 cent, that is 10 cents. So in cash, that is 0.1 dollars. So if you do more, if you can, let's say you can do, if you have some survey, because there are survey that that you will do that will give you like 400 points immediately. There are survey that will give you 1000 points. There are survey that will give you 20. There are survey that will give you 70, etc, and etc, like that. So for example, let's say you have a survey, or you have like 100 points in your this thing, in your account, you'll be having $1. If you can do a survey up to 1000 and you have up to 1000 points, you'll be having $10, which is 10 cash. So you can check their cash to point, is still the same thing. As you can see, their cash to point. Now let's see their cash to point. Now let's say you have one cash, which is $1, you have 100 points, etc. Everything is like, it's the same thing, point to cash, then cash to point. Now let's say you want to withdraw now on this platform. What you need to do is click on withdraw, then click on withdraw cash. So before you can withdraw on this platform, you need to be an active member for at least 7 days before making your first withdraw on this platform. So guys, this platform is paying. I've checked everything concerning this platform, and I can see they have a good trust. They have a good trust rate on Trustpilot, etc, on all those automatic machine review site. They have a good rate on the platform. So guys, don't lose this opportunity. Don't lose this opportunity to register on this platform now, and start survey and start making free money on this platform. Everything is very simple on this platform. Let's say you want to invite people also, you can you can copy your referral link here, then send it to people, and you get commission from what your referrals do. The survey your referral do, you will get commission from them also. So let me say I click on survey. Now I click on survey to just see some certain things there. So as you can see, you can see many surveys here. There are many surveys here. I have this survey which is 80 points. I have this 75 points, which will give me 75 points. This one will give me 30 points. This one will give me 55 points. This one will give me 80 points. This one will give me 65 points, etc. So let me do the calculation of this simple survey they just give to me here. Let me know the amount, how much I will be making from it in dollar. So after I do the calculation of everything together, I see that you can make like, only on this small survey here, you can make like $3.85 on it. you can make like $3.85 on this survey. So guys, try this now and start making free money on this survey. This platform is really paying. Let me show you something. Let me show you something here. Let me show you something. Okay, as you can see, like this platform now, they are legit platform. So where you can check some platform review. As you can see, Trustpilot is one of the number one review platform on the internet right now. So let me just show you something on it. Let's see what people are saying. As you can see their rate is very excellent. About 864 people have reviewed dollar this clicks site here. So as you can see, most of it is excellent, 79% excellent. As you can see, people, hello, I'm new. You can see there are these things. Some people, as you can see their trust rate. People are cashing out on this platform. They are doing survey and they are paying people. You can try this on your on anybody can try this. Anybody can use the platform to make money. You can use the platform to make this dollar. You can use it to make money anywhere. Any country can join. Any country can join. So let me show you something again. Let me show you something to see so that you can know that you can have more survey in a day. Let me show you something again. So I'll click on this place now to convert this site to use it on the desktop site to show you how many survey I have on my this thing here. So because on mobile right now, or if you check it through that normal on desktop site, you will not see like you will not be able to view like many survey. As you can see now on my this thing here, I have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 survey ready for me here. As you can see, if I do this, they will give me 86 points. This one give me 9 points. This one 74 points. This one 149 points. This one 173 points. This one 141 points. If you calculate everything together, you can see how much you will be earning in dollar, apart from the one I first show you. So you can see them again. If you click on any of the offer word here, they have their own survey. Each have their own survey. For example, let's say you do this from the bit lab here, you do this survey from the bit lab here, then you do another one here, you do another one here, you do another one here. Imagine how much you'll be making in a day. So guys, this platform is cool and is good. If you are a survey lover, I advise you to use this platform. It's really paying. So guys, if this is your first time on this channel, this is what I shared on this channel: how to make money online, different ways to make money online. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on that subscribing button so that anytime I drop more video like this or such like this, you will be the first person to see the notification on your phone screen. And also, don't forget to like the video and check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there, the registration link to this platform. You will see it on the description of this video. And also you will see my Telegram channel links there to join my Telegram channel links for more updates on my Telegram channels. So guys, thank you for watching and goodbye. See you next in my next video.